Here's your fast stock market update from me, Nigel Green, the CEO of deVere. Right now we're seeing that the stock market has had a sell-off, particularly in America. Nasdaq is down 10%, but all is not lost. There's opportunities. However, beware of certain factors that are going to occur in the market. Let me explain. First of all, you've had tariffs coming on to China, Mexico, and indeed Canada. Of course, Trump has gone high and then reduced some of those down, and perhaps that's going to continue. But whether it does or whether it doesn't, the direction is very clear. It's uncertainty. It's difficult for companies to plan when they're not sure whether there's tariffs or there aren't tariffs. That causes complications, and that means that you're actually going to get inflation just simply and solely because of the uncertainty. People will stockpile. You saw that in COVID. So expect inflation to go higher in America. That means that there's going to be more volatility to come in markets like this. That doesn't mean there's not opportunities in this market, but particularly in other markets. So if you look at companies like Nvidia as an example, there's a 20% sell-off on Nvidia. It's a quality company. Microsoft is another quality company. Their stock have been sold off. They're quality companies. On the medium term, those companies will provide an opportunity for investors. Defense stock in Europe. Why? All of a sudden, Germany, for the first time since the Second World War, is going to borrow money. This is massive. It's a multi-year investment that they're going to be doing in defense and also in their infrastructure. That's massive, because just think, Germany hasn't borrowed historically. If it had borrowed as much as America, its growth would have been similar to America. It's got catching up to do, and it's realized it's now going to borrow. Defense stock are going to do well. Infrastructure companies in Germany are also likely to do well. European banks, interest rates low, opportunities to invest there too. So if you're investing right now, you're absolutely right to be cautious. But however, there are opportunities, quality tech stock, defense stock, particularly in Europe, and European banks. For me, they're the winners. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want more information. I'll always keep you up to date so you know what's happening in the investment markets.